welcome back to One Humble Knot. Today we're actually going to be making little Shrek ears. I'm going to be attaching it to this beanie. You may have seen this beanie in a previous episode. There's so much dog hair on this, but we're going to put little Shrek ears on it. Now, I'm doing a separate video just for the Shrek ears, just because you can attach it to really anything. And even if you want to make into something more, it's a different kind of antenna, go ahead, different colors. But hopefully this will be a nice quick one. So what we're going to do is start off our ears. We're going to leave a little bit of a tail so then we can sew in the base of it. So to start off, this is all going to be in UK verbiage. So we're going to chain 12. Okay, so we've got our 12 here to go around, loop it through, do our slip stitch. And then we're doing a treble crochet in each stitch. Okay, that's our first row done. And then we're going to do a treble crochet into the first 2 treble crochets in the first stitch. Oh, I was just about to do a double. So 2 treble crochets in the first stitch. And then a single treble all the way around. Okay, now once you've gone around, you do a slip stitch. And then for our 3rd row, we're going to do the same thing. So 2 trebles in the first. And then 1 treble all the way around. Okay, now you're all the way around again. Nice little slip stitch through. You can see that it's got a little pillar going on. That's what it looks like. It's gonna be so cute. This one might be a bit big for this baby's head. It's gonna look so cute. So for round 4, we're changing it up a bit. We're doing 1 treble crochet in the first stitch, 1 treble in the second stitch, and then 2 trebles in the 3rd stitch. So we're going to be doing the pattern of 1 1 2. So 1 1 2, and we'll do this all the way around. Okay, and now we're all the way around. We just want to do a nice little slip stitch. Probably pull this out a bit, and that will actually make it a little bit skinnier. So we're going to do 2 trebles in your first stitch, and then we're doing 1 treble in the second, 1 treble in the third, 2 trebles in the fourth, and we're going to do 1 half treble crochet in the 5th. Okay, and then 6, hopefully I haven't lost you here, we're doing 1 half treble in the 6th, 1 half treble in the 7th. For the 8th, we do a half treble and then a double. Okay, so we just did 2 stitches in the 8th. We did a half treble and then a double. Half treble for the 9th and another half treble in the next stitch. And then another half treble. The next one, we do a half treble, and then we do a treble. So we did a half treble and then a full treble. And then in the next stitch, we'll do 2 treble crochets. And then you should be all the way around. If you're not all the way around, just keep doing trebles, just a single treble in until you're all the way around. And finish off with a slip stitch. So we're almost there. Okay, so we're doing 2 trebles in our first stitch. Nice and easy. Then we do 1 treble in the second stitch, 1 treble in the third stitch, 1 treble in the fourth, and then we do 1 treble in the fifth with also a half treble in the 5th as well. Then we do a half treble in the next stitch, a half treble again. So this will be the 7th stitch, and a half treble in the 8th stitch. And then in the 9th stitch, we do a half treble and then a double. Ooh, 10th stitch, we just do a double. Same with the 11th, just a double. In the 12th, we do a double. And then we do 2 doubles. In the next stitch, I think that was the 13th. Counting is hard. So we just did 2 doubles, and then the next stitch is a double, and then next stitch is 2 doubles, the next stitch is a double, and then we're going to do a half treble. We'll do 2 half trebles in one stitch, and then another 2 half trebles in the last stitch for us to do a slip stitch. So you can kind of see we have a little ear forming. So I just counted my stitches. I think they're a little bit less than what they should be, but what you want to do is do a bunch of half trebles, a bunch of doubles, and then a half trebles again. So if you went in half like this, fold it in half, so then this is your middle, you're doing half trebles until these points. So half treble to here, doubles, half trebles again. So we're going to here, and that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will do, this is why I love crocheting. So doing half trebles, we're doing 6 of them. I feel like you can just adapt any pattern if you know what you're looking for. Now we're going to do 11 double crochets. One, ooh, I was about to do another half treble. I'm really sorry, my dog just woke up, so you might hear her. We're going to do we're basically going to do half trebles all the way back to the beginning. And then a slip stitch. We're just going to do nice and easy a double crochet around, just to kind of clean up our edges. Okay, so we're all the way around, and we just finish it off with a slip stitch. I'm going to clean this up. It's a little bit of a wonky ear, not gonna lie, but I'll feed this one through, do a second one, and be back and show you how to join. So I've joined on, I've done 2 of the ears and joined them on. They're probably a little bit close together, but I think it's so adorable. If I hold it up a bit more. So when I did this beanie, I had some extra gathering in here, so it almost folded over, which is perfect for the ears, and you just kind of sew it in, tie it out on the inside. I probably attached them facing the wrong way, but it's just adorable. So hope you enjoyed that video. It'll be a nice quick, you know, within 40-minute, be able to make both, attach it to any kind of hat, beanie, whatever you like. And that way you can have Shrek version, really anything. It'll be great if you could like and subscribe. Oh, we might have a visitor here. What do you think of the beanie? Is it a nice beanie? Please like and subscribe. And it'll be great to see you in the next video. Have a great day.